the sad thing which happens in royal families is that you have no communication with parents. When I was born in 1965 as the first male child in the family, my name was actually registered in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. They threw me out of the palace, knowing fully well that I was gay 4 years back.
Right.
Still,
There's an image to maintain.
Yeah, exactly. My news reached Oprah.
Multiple times.
Multiple times, exactly.
Yeah.
Much like it. Within a year of my coming out, I was on a show.
Growing up in royalty, coming out is hard enough for someone who belongs to the normal strata of society. Belonging to royalty, being a prince, what were the unique challenges you faced as opposed to somebody else who would be coming to terms with their sexuality?
When I was born in 1965 as the first male child in the family, my name was actually registered in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
Really?
And it is still there,
Wow.
I mean, because you need to inform the government,
Yeah.
who's
the next heir in line?
Who in the commoner's family's name is registered in the government records,
Of course.
Of this sort. So, and then I was raised in that manner. We had all the protocols down. Even after the privileges were withdrawn, still we continued living in a very privileged lifestyle. I had the fortune of living up in a mansion in Mumbai. So living in a mansion in Mumbai with 22 servants running all over your place, not even having to get a glass of water from the fridge, was there. But the sad thing which happens in royal families is that you have no communication with parents. I was raised and brought up by a nanny, a governess. And with whom I had so much love and affection and attachment that I thought she was my biological mother. We couldn't make friends. So I literally grew up playing with the servants' kids. And whatever little friends I had in school were mostly girls, And then in our homosocial country where homosocial behavior is there, girls are not allowed to mix with boys. So I had no choice,
When you came out publicly, you were disowned.
Yes.
By your family.
Yeah.
And there was press coverage around the world about what had happened then. When you look at it now, a decade plus later, what is your relationship today like with the royals, the royal families of India? Has that evolved?
Yeah, definitely. When I came out in the newspapers, I made a statement that I may be the first member of a royal family in the world to come out, but not the only one.
Correct.
So the fact was that I knew there were other royal family members, and they also knew that I know that they are gay.
Right.
So they were the most hit. I would say they were scared that now this guy's been this shameless. He's outed himself in public, and now it's our chance. And then the entire royal image is going to go down the drains. So they had actually instigated my parents to take the step of disowning. Saying you have to shut him up.
Otherwise, so that step came from there.
Yes, because my father had in a interview much after we reconciled, he mentioned in this interview that he took this action because of the conservative society of India, which pressurized him to take this step. So it was obvious that there's so much of hypocrisy in our country and so much of bigotry is there. People don't want to accept the truth, And then as times went by, a lot of media importance was given to my story. I mean, the fact that my news reached Oprah.
Multiple times.
Multiple times, exactly. Yeah. Much like it. Within a year of my coming out, I was on a show and a lot of other shows I did. So, but that kind of tried to change the mindset of the people into thinking that what he's doing is not just for himself, but it is for a larger cause. And we need to think before being homophobic. We need to sit down and question ourselves that are we doing the right thing by protesting against him or objecting to what he's doing, or should we support him? So people are waiting and watching. I mean, when my disownment and all happened, my parents also were totally against me. They threw me out of the palace, knowing fully well that I was gay 4 years back.
Right.
Still,
there's an image to maintain.
Yeah, exactly. So they never expected that I'm going to kind of break open the barriers and come out of the closet and the royal closet and inform the whole world. They never expected that.